About the Bangkok Bank Mobile Banking app. We'll walk you through everything, from registration to using the main features.
Bangkok Bank Mobile Banking is the official app that lets you manage your banking from your smartphone. The app is available in English and Thai. To use the app, you'll need either a Thai long-stay visa or a work permit. The app can be downloaded for free from the Google Play Store and the App Store.
The main features are as follows: checking your balance and transaction history, domestic transfers and PromptPay transfers, payments via QR code and barcode, cardless ATM withdrawals, bill payments, and mobile top-ups, viewing and paying your credit card statements.
Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Bangkok Bank Mobile Banking. Then download the app. Installation is free of charge.
Initial registration cannot be completed through the app alone. You must visit a Bangkok Bank branch in person to complete the process. At the branch, you will be issued a 4-digit PIN. Please bring your passport and bank passbook. Additionally, as a requirement for using the app, you will need either a work permit or a long-stay visa. You will also need a registered Thai phone number.
Launch the app and tap Get Started. Next, enter your passport number and date of birth. Thai nationals will use their national ID, but foreigners should enter their passport number. Then read and agree to the terms and conditions.
Enter your account number. Then enter the OTP sent to you via SMS. Next, complete facial recognition. Facial recognition requires prior registration at a branch. Then set your 6-digit mobile PIN. Finally, enter the OTP sent to your email to complete registration.
Launch the app and log in by entering your 6-digit mobile PIN. If you have set up facial recognition or fingerprint authentication, you can also use those to log in. If there is no activity for a while, you will be automatically logged out. You can log back in using the same method. The home screen has 4 main menus. Accounts lets you check your balance and transaction history. Transfers allows you to make domestic and international transfers. Payments lets you pay bills and make QR code payments. Scan QR lets you scan a QR code to make a payment.
Tap Accounts to check your balance. The balance is hidden by default. Tap the eye icon to reveal your balance. In the transaction history, you can view your deposit and withdrawal records. Your account is shown in the Quick Balance section on the home screen. The balance is hidden and displayed as xx.xxthb. Tap Show on the right to reveal your balance.
When you tap Show, your actual balance will be displayed. In this example, the balance shown is 50,250 baht. After checking, tap again to hide your balance again. Select Scan on the home screen. Then select QR to pay. Scan the merchant's QR code. Confirm the transaction details and select Confirm. Tap the scan icon at the bottom of the home screen. The camera will launch. Align the QR code or barcode within the scanning area. Enter your 6-digit mobile PIN or authenticate with Touch ID, Face ID, or fingerprint recognition. Select your credit card or account as the payment source. Confirm the amount and tap Next. Confirm the transaction details and select Confirm. When the transaction is complete, an e-slip, electronic receipt, will be issued. You can save or share it. Tap Receive in the app to display your personal QR code. Simply have the other person scan it to receive payment. You can also specify the amount in advance. On the home screen, select Scan and tap QR to receive. Your personal QR code will be displayed. You can edit the amount directly or save the QR code image.
Without opening the app, simply tap the widget on your home screen to access the scanner. Scan the QR code to make a payment. Confirm the transaction details and select Confirm. After the transaction, you can immediately save or share the e-slip. Tap the Bangkok Bank Mobile Banking widget displayed on your home screen.
The camera will launch, so scan the QR code. Confirm the transaction details and select Confirm. When the transaction is complete, an e-slip, electronic receipt, will be issued. You can save or share it.
Cardless withdrawal is a feature that lets you withdraw cash from an ATM without your cash card. Simply enter the withdrawal amount in the app in advance and head to an ATM to receive your cash. This feature is available even if you have forgotten or lost your card. Please note that this is only available at Bangkok Bank ATMs. Select Cardless Withdrawal in the app. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm. At the ATM, a QR code will appear on the screen. Scan it with your smartphone. The cash will be dispensed. Please note that the transaction is valid for 30 minutes after initiation.
The maximum withdrawal per transaction is 25,000 baht. The daily withdrawal limit is 50,000 baht. There is no fee when using Bangkok Bank ATMs. At other banks' ATMs, KTB, SCB, K-Bank, and GSB, a fee of 10 baht per transaction applies.
Select Cardless ATM on the home screen. Select your account and the ATM you will use. Choose or enter the amount and tap Next. Select Scan QR for withdrawal. Launch the camera and scan the QR code displayed on the ATM screen. On the ATM screen, select Confirm Transaction. In the mobile app, select Back to Home and collect your cash from the ATM. After the transaction, you can check your transaction details in the app's History section. There are 3 methods for domestic transfers. The first is transferring by account number, which allows you to send money to Bangkok Bank or other bank accounts. The second is transferring via QR code, where you simply scan the recipient's QR code to send money. The third is PromptPay, which lets you send money easily using a phone number or ID. The standard transfer limit is 200,000 baht per transaction. If you have registered facial recognition, the limit can be increased. You can change the limit from the settings within the app. If you need to transfer an amount exceeding the limit, you will need to visit a branch in person. You can top up your mobile phone through the app. You can also pay bills, such as electricity, water, and internet. From Pay Bills, scan a QR code to make payments easily. Your payment history can be checked within the app.
From the quick menu on the home screen, select Pay Bills or Top Up.
A list of payees will be displayed. From the registered payees, including Bangkok Bank credit cards, insurance companies, utility companies, and telecoms, select your payee. Choose from one-time, weekly, or monthly payment, and enter the required information. Confirm the details or enter the payment amount and select Next.
Enter the one-time password received via SMS. Confirm the transaction details and select Confirm. When the payment is complete, you will receive an email notification. This is only sent if your email address has been verified. Select Top Up from the quick menu. Select the mobile network you want to top up. Enter your account, phone number, and amount. Review the details and select Confirm.
Select Top Up from the quick menu on the home screen. Select the mobile network you want to top up. Major carriers are supported, including AIS, DTAC, and TrueMove H.
Select the account to debit
and enter the phone number and amount. Review the details, select Confirm, and complete the transaction.
After a transfer, you can add the recipient to your favorites. From the next time, simply select their name, and the recipient's details will be filled in automatically. This helps prevent errors when entering account numbers. It's convenient for regular transfers, such as rent or remittances.
On the home screen, select My Favorites and proceed to Try Now. Select the transaction tab you want to add, Transfer, Payment, or Top Up, and select Add New Favorite.
Select the transfer type. Enter the required information, such as the account number and favorite name, and select Next. You can also optionally set an amount, memo, and phone number for SMS notifications. Review your favorite's details and select Confirm. Your favorite has been successfully registered. You can review past transfers in your transaction history. When sending money to the same recipient again, simply tap on the history entry, and the recipient's account number and amount will be filled in automatically. This saves time on data entry and helps prevent mistakes. Select History. Select the transaction you want to repeat, and select Repeat Transaction. The recipient's account number and amount will be pre-filled for you. You can change the amount if needed. Select Next, confirm the transaction details, and select Confirm. The repeat transfer is complete. On the transfer screen, select Create a Schedule. You can choose the frequency, one time, weekly, or monthly. Enter the start date, end date, and amount, then save. The transfer will be made automatically on the scheduled date. On the transfer screen, select Create a Schedule. Enter the information needed to set up a one-time, weekly, or monthly schedule.
Enter the OTP received via SMS.
Review the details and select Confirm. When the scheduled transfer is set up, you will receive a notification by email. Please note that notifications are only sent if your email address has been verified. Facial recognition cannot be registered through the app alone. You must visit a Bangkok Bank branch to complete the registration. Please bring your passport and Tash card. After registration, facial recognition will be available in the app immediately. There are 4 main situations where facial recognition is required: when making a high-value transfer that exceeds your set limit, when migrating the app to a new device, and when changing security settings. Please note that to use facial recognition, prior registration at a branch is required. You can change your transfer limit from the Settings menu. Select the limit amount from the list. Higher limits are only available if you have registered facial recognition. The change will take effect immediately after saving. Tap the gear icon in the top right of the home screen and select Setting. Then select Transaction Limits for Face Scan. Your current transaction limit details will be displayed. Select your desired limit. You can choose from 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 baht. Confirm your desired limit and select Confirm. A facial recognition confirmation screen will appear. Select Accept. Complete facial recognition to verify your identity. Please ensure your face is within the frame in a well-lit area. Your transaction limit has been successfully updated via facial recognition. Notifications are sent via SMS, mobile banking push notifications, and email. Please note that email notifications are only sent if your email address has been registered. You can register your email address from the app's settings. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email for every transaction. This helps you detect unauthorized use early. Registration is free and can be updated at any time.
Tap the gear icon in the top right of the home screen and select Setting. Then select My Profile. Enter your email address and tap Save. Enter the one-time password OTP sent to your email to verify your email address. Your email address has been successfully verified.
There are 4 main situations that require re-registration: when you change to a new smartphone, when you delete and reinstall the app, and when you forget your PIN, and when you renew your passport.
Tap Get Started and enter your passport number. Next, enter the SMS OTP. Complete facial recognition to verify your identity. Set a new 6-digit mobile PIN. Finally, answer a yes/no question to complete the process.
If you forget your PIN, you can have a new 4-digit PIN issued at a Bangkok Bank branch. The steps are as follows. On the app's login screen, select Forgot PIN. Enter the 4-digit PIN issued at the branch. Set a new 6-digit mobile PIN to complete the process.
A Thai SIM card is required for re-registration. Please turn off Wi-Fi and VPN. The OTP will be sent to your registered phone number. Please perform facial recognition in a well-lit environment. If you have renewed your passport, visit the branch where you opened your account to update your passport information. It may take approximately 3 days for the update to be reflected in the facial recognition system. Once the update is reflected, you will be able to re-register the app. If your account is locked due to too many incorrect PIN attempts, contact the call center at Bualong phone 1333 or +662 645 5555 from overseas to have the lock removed. An operator will verify your identity. The service is available in English and Thai. You can also have it unlocked at a branch. After unlocking, reset your PIN and resume using the app.
To change your registered mobile phone number, you can do so from the app's settings. Please note that only Thai registered phone numbers are accepted. When using the app overseas, you must use a roaming service. Otherwise, you will not be able to receive OTPs via SMS. Please keep this in mind.
Go to the My Profile menu. Confirm your current mobile phone number. Enter your new mobile phone number and tap Save. Enter the OTP received via SMS. Complete facial recognition to verify your identity. Your mobile phone number has been successfully changed. Finally, here are some important security reminders. Never share your PIN or password with anyone. Avoid making transfers over public free Wi-Fi. Never tap on suspicious SMS messages or links. Always log out when you are done, and make sure to set a screen lock on your smartphone.
Here is a summary of what we covered. Initial registration must always be done at a branch. Transfers, payments, and top-ups can all be handled with a single app. By registering facial recognition, you can make high-value transfers and enhance your security. Cardless withdrawal is a convenient feature that lets you withdraw cash from an ATM without your card.
Thank you for watching to the end. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me to keep going. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss the latest videos. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.